Hello everyone, greetings to all the viewers from my side. Myself Dhwani Advari from 3rd year family, and today in this video I am going to give you detailed knowledge and information about the medication ibuprofen, which one should know when you are taking that medication. Whenever you are taking any medication, you should know how to use it, when to take it, when not to take it, along with which drugs you have to avoid that medication, and all the adverse effects which can affect because of that medication. So let's get started. First I'll be talking about ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is used as painkiller, that is when you are having back pain or toothache, and also to treat inflammation, that is due to sprains and also in arthritis. So these are the common brand names of the drug ibuprofen under which the drug is sold. And then these are the brand names having combination of ibuprofen and paracetamol. These are the popular brand names which I have taken. Rest immense amount of brands are available. So you have to go along with the drugs and the brand names which your doctor has recommended you. Then let's talk about the adverse effect which can take place because of ibuprofen. So these are the adverse effects which takes place when you are taking ibuprofen. You can suffer from these of the problems, and that is normal. So there is nothing to worry or panic. You have to just call your doctor and treat that symptom right away. Whenever you are taking ibuprofen, you can get nausea, vomiting, and the most common is the gastrointestinal tract problems. And you can have dyspepsia, that is in layman language we can say acidity and heartburn, and the other problems which are shown here. Then talking about the contraindications, that is contraindications are basically the such situations in which you cannot take this medicine ibuprofen. So here it is shown that GI complications. So if you are already having any gastrointestinal tract problem, any ulceration, bleeding, then you cannot take this medication. Then even if you are having any active bleeding inside your body, or if you have gone any recent heart surgery, then you cannot take this medication. So you have to discuss it with your doctor before starting this in any disease. Now the counseling points. Counseling is the heart of any treatment. So the counseling which I will like to give, and the information which all the patients who are taking ibuprofen should know, is that you should take the medication exactly how your doctor told you. If you miss any dose, then skip that dose and take the next dose if it is already time for the next dose, but never double the dose. Then what you should know is that if you are taking by your own self to treat any pain which is present in your body, then you should take only 1 or 2 doses. And if your pain has already more than what you are feeling every time, and after taking that medication, even if that pain doesn't go, then you have to immediately talk to your doctor, because that can be a warning sign of any other disease which you might be ignoring. And just taking painkiller is not the option, because this medication on chronic or long-term use can increase the risk of thrombotic events, that is the small clots which are formed in a vein due to blood when blood gets thickened, and the risk of stroke and even the myocardial infarction increases. So even if you have any cardiovascular problem, or you have undergone any bypass surgery or any other heart surgery, then you cannot take this medication. So you have to discuss it with your doctor. Then you have to take this medication after food and with more amount of water or milk, so that it can reduce the gastrointestinal side effects which can take place after taking ibuprofen. Then you don't have to use this medication more than 10 days unless and until recommended by your doctor after your full checkup regarding your disease or your condition. Then long or chronic term use of this medicine can lead to renal injury. So the people who are at risk of this are the elderly, or the ones who are already having any kidney problem, or the ones who are on AC inhibitor or ARB or diuretic, such kind of drugs. So you have to discuss it with your doctor that on what medications are you, and after that only you can use it chronically if it is suiting your condition and your body. Then don't use any blood thinners, antibiotics or any other medication which can have interactions with ibuprofen. undergone any bypass surgery, or if you are having any heart problem, then you cannot use this medication. Then if after taking this medication, if you experience sickness, severe weakness, then dizziness, fatigue, then the edema, that is swelling, which we called it in layman language, or breathing problem, then you have to immediately see your doctor, because these are the signs of toxicity of ibuprofen. And whenever you are taking ibuprofen, then you cannot take alcohol with it. So avoid alcohol. Hope you got all the detailed knowledge and the information which you should know while you are taking ibuprofen. Hope I was able to deliver you the content of the video. Thanks for watching.